In our lives, we often face moments that seem to stretch us to our limits, challenging our understanding of who we are and what we're capable of. It is in these moments that the universe is preparing us for a transformation that will alter the trajectory of our lives. Let us explore together how these challenges are not mere obstacles, but rather sacred invitations to step into a larger version of ourselves. The first lesson in understanding the universe's challenges is recognizing that they are a form of communication. The universe speaks to us in the language of experiences, using circumstances as its words and our reactions as the dialogue. When we encounter a difficulty, it's as if the universe is asking, "Are you ready to grow?" But growth cannot occur without discomfort. Consider the way muscles must be stressed to become stronger. Similarly, our spirit requires resistance to expand. Now consider the last time you faced a significant challenge. It could have been a loss, a failure, or a rejection. In the heat of that moment, we often feel overwhelmed, maybe even forsaken. Yet, if we reflect on those experiences with the wisdom of hindsight, we may see they were leading us to a newfound strength or understanding. The universe was not working against us, but for us, calling forth latent potential that needed adversity to be activated. Let's dive deeper into this. The universe challenges us by disrupting our equilibrium, the state of comfort and predictability we cherish. Suddenly, we find ourselves in the midst of a storm, where the only way out is through. It's here, in the tumult of change and uncertainty, that we are given an opportunity to demonstrate resilience, to practice patience, and to learn the art of surrender. Surrender in this context is not about giving up. Rather, it is about loosening our grip on the illusion of control. It is acknowledging that despite our best efforts, there are forces larger than us at play. When we surrender, we open ourselves up to receiving guidance and support in forms we may not have anticipated. It's an act of trust, an understanding that the universe has a broader perspective of our life's path than we do. Now, let us turn our attention inward. How do you react when faced with a challenge? Do you tense up and resist, or do you breathe deeply and seek the lesson within the struggle? Your reaction is a powerful indicator of where you are on your spiritual path. Resistance can often be an indicator of fear, fear of the unknown, fear of failure, or even fear of success. But what if we viewed each challenge as a riddle, with a solution that leads us to a deeper truth about ourselves and the nature of reality? Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. In the face of adversity, the practical advice is to maintain a state of inner equilibrium. We do this by grounding ourselves in practices that keep us connected to our core, perhaps meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. These practices act as anchors, helping us to remain centered and calm amidst the chaos. They provide a refuge for self-reflection, allowing us to discern the lessons hidden within the challenges we face. Now, think about the last time a challenge changed you in a significant way. It likely didn't feel pleasant at the time, but in its aftermath, you emerged differently. This is the alchemy of the universe at work, taking our leaden struggles and transmuting them into golden wisdom. But this process requires participation, a conscious decision to engage with the experience rather than retreat from it. This brings us to a crucial question. Do you believe that the universe is inherently benevolent, that it conspires in your favor even when it presents you with trials? Your answer to this question reveals much about your relationship with life itself. If you view the universe as a friendly place, you're more likely to approach challenges with curiosity and openness. If you see it as indifferent or even hostile, you might approach life defensively, expecting hardship and thus attracting more of it. As we conclude this first part, let us hold in our hearts the understanding that challenges are not punishments, but profound teachings. They are the universe's way of nudging us towards our full potential, of cracking us open so that more light can enter. And with every challenge we overcome, we become more adept at navigating this complex and beautiful journey called life. The Symphony of Cosmic Timing, unveiling the dance of destiny. In our exploration of life's transformative challenges, we now turn to the second lesson, the profound importance of timing. The universe doesn't operate on a random schedule, nor does it adhere strictly to our personal timelines. Instead, it orchestrates events with precision, ensuring that each life-altering transformation occurs at the most opportune moment for our growth. Timing can be enigmatic, often feeling inconvenient or inexplicable from our limited perspective. Yet, there is a rhythm to the universe, a cosmic symphony, that plays out in perfect harmony when we learn to listen and flow with it. It's important to recognize that the moments leading up to significant change are often lined with signs and synchronicities, subtle nudges from the universe guiding us towards readiness. Consider the last time you experienced a synchronicity, an unexpected occurrence that felt as though the universe was winking at you. Perhaps you thought of someone and they called you out of the blue, or you stumbled upon a book that spoke directly to the questions weighing on your heart. These are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's way of aligning us with the tempo of our transformation. They serve as reminders that there is a greater intelligence at work. But how do we attune ourselves to this cosmic timing? We must learn to cultivate patience and maintain a sense of trust in the process of our lives. Patience is not simply the ability to wait, it is the capacity to maintain a positive attitude while working towards our dreams. It is understanding that the seeds we plant today may not bear fruit tomorrow, but in due time, they will flourish if we care for them. The universe often prepares us for transformation by first introducing small shifts, incremental changes that build upon one another. It's like learning to swim by first getting comfortable being in the water, then floating, and only then moving on to more complex strokes. Each step is essential, and skipping any part of the process can lead to struggle rather than mastery. Now, let's bring our focus to a practical application of this understanding. When we find ourselves in a period of waiting or uncertainty, it is beneficial to engage in activities that keep us grounded and present. This could be as simple as breathing exercises, which help us to anchor ourselves in the now, or it could involve more engaging tasks that require our full attention, and thus prevent us from becoming preoccupied with the future. It's also important to remain open to the lessons that come with each phase of our journey. The universe is a patient teacher, presenting us with repeated opportunities to learn what we need to know for our next chapter. If we find ourselves encountering the same types of challenges, it's worth considering what we might have missed. What is it that we need to understand before we can move forward? And this leads us to a question of deep reflection. What if the delays and detours you've experienced were actually saving you from paths not meant for you, or preparing you for ones you couldn't have envisioned? This perspective can shift our relationship with time from one of frustration to one of gratitude. As we reach the end of this second part, let's hold in our awareness the concept of divine timing. Trust that the universe will not rush your growth, nor will it hold you back when you're ready to soar. Embrace the dance of destiny, knowing that each step, each pause, each seemingly backward movement is a part of the choreography that leads to your life-altering transformation. With this understanding in our hearts, let us move forward to the third part, where we will delve into the power of choice and how our decisions shape the course of our transformative experiences. The Crucible of Choice. Navigating the crossroads of change. As we venture further into the heart of transformation and the challenges the universe presents us, we arrive at a fundamental aspect of our journey: the power of choice. Every day we stand at the crossroads of countless decisions, each with the potential to alter the course of our lives. It's within these moments of choice that the universe invites us to exercise our free will and shape our destiny. When confronted with a challenge, we often find ourselves at a pivotal juncture. The decisions we make in the face of adversity are more than mere selections between options. They are declarations of our values, our courage, and our commitment to growth. The universe watches, not with judgment, but with anticipation, for it is through our choices that we express the essence of our being. Consider a time when you stood at such a crossroads. The path before you may have been shrouded in uncertainty, the outcomes unknown. In these instances, the universe is presenting us with a powerful question: who do you choose to become? This is not a query to be answered lightly, for in its answer lies the unfolding of our potential. Making choices that align with our highest good requires a deep sense of self-awareness. It necessitates an understanding of our deepest desires, fears, and values. It calls for introspection and honesty, for it's only when we are truthful with ourselves that we can make decisions that truly reflect who we are and who we wish to be. Now, let's explore the practical side of navigating these choices. When faced with a difficult decision, it's beneficial to take a step back and view the situation from a broader perspective. This can be done through meditation or simply by allowing ourselves a period of quiet reflection. In the spaciousness of silence, we often find clarity. It is here that we can connect with our intuition, that inner voice that guides us towards choices that resonate with our truest self. Another practical approach is to consider the long-term consequences of our decisions. While it can be tempting to choose the path of least comfort or immediate gratification, such choices may not serve us in the long run. By contemplating the future impact of our decisions, we invite wisdom into the decision-making process. Choices also come with the responsibility of acceptance. Once a decision is made, we must embrace its outcomes, both expected and unexpected. The universe challenges us not only through the act of decision-making, but also in how we handle the consequences that follow. It is here that we learn resilience and adaptability, key components of any transformative journey. And so, we come to a deeply reflective point. Can you recall a decision that felt insignificant at the time but later revealed itself to be a turning point in your life? This recognition can illuminate the profound interconnectedness of our choices and the mysterious ways in which the universe weaves them into the fabric of our existence. As we conclude this third part, let us acknowledge that the crucible of choice is a powerful catalyst for change. Each decision is a thread in the tapestry of our life, colored by our intentions and patterns. The universe challenges us to choose wisely, boldly, and authentically, for in doing so, we co-create our reality with the cosmos. With this awareness, we are ready to step into the final part of our exploration, where we will discuss the transformative power of embracing the unknown and how it can lead us to the most profound growth of our lives. Embracing the abyss. The transformative power of the unknown. As we reach the culmination of our journey through life's intricate dance of transformation, we arrive at a precipice that overlooks the vast expanse of the unknown. This is the domain where the familiar contours of our reality fade into uncharted territory, where the light of certainty dims and the shadows of mystery beckon us forward. It is here, in the embrace of the abyss, that we discover the transformative power of venturing into the unseen. The unknown is often regarded with apprehension, a realm fraught with uncertainty and potential peril. Yet, it is also a space brimming with possibility, a canvas upon which the universe invites us to paint our destiny with the bold strokes of our aspirations. To step into the unknown is to engage in an act of profound courage, a declaration of our willingness to grow beyond the confines of our current self. Within the fabric of the unknown, every moment becomes an opportunity for transformation. The universe whispers to us in the language of experiences yet to be lived, of lessons yet to be learned. It is in this silence, in the absence of pre-written scripts, that we find the freedom to create, to innovate, and to become the architects of our future. Let us consider the practical applications of embracing the unknown. When we encounter the unfamiliar, it is essential to cultivate a mindset of curiosity rather than fear. Curiosity empowers us to ask questions, to explore, and to view uncertainty as an adventure. It is the spark that ignites the flame of discovery and learning. Another practical approach is to build resilience by stepping out of our comfort zones incrementally. Like a muscle that strengthens with use, our capacity to handle the unknown grows with practice. By taking small risks and facing new challenges, we prepare ourselves for the larger leaps of faith that transformation often requires. Furthermore, embracing the unknown calls for a deep trust in the process of life. It requires us to relinquish the illusion of control and to surrender to the flow of change. This surrender is not an act of defeat, but rather an acknowledgement of the intricate interplay between our actions and the cosmic dance of creation. At this juncture, we might pause to reflect on a simple truth. Every great discovery, every innovation, and every leap in human progress has come from venturing into the unknown. What then might be waiting for us in the unexplored depths of our own potential? As we conclude this final part, let us hold in our hearts the power of the abyss, the transformative potential that lies in the spaces we have yet to explore. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, does not reveal all its secrets at once. Instead, it guides us, step by step, into the depths of our own becoming. Gismam. The embrace of the unknown is an invitation to trust in the unseen forces that shape our journey. It is a call to adventure, a challenge to the spirit, and a gateway to transformation. As we stand on the brink of possibility, let us leap with faith, knowing that the universe will catch us in its enigmatic and loving arms. With this empowering perspective, we close the final chapter of our exploration. May the lessons gleaned from the symphony of cosmic timing, the crucible of choice, and the embrace of the abyss serve as beacons on your path, illuminating the way as you navigate the transformative odyssey of life.